Okay, welcome to week 5. Let's see how we're getting on. So they've got that rendered. They've just got this part to do now. The teacher's having 5 minutes. There's no. น้องไปไหนอ๋ออันนี้รู้จักที่ไหนเอาชาเขียวเย็นชาเขียวเย็นที่ไหนนี่เอาดื่มชาเขียวเย็นที่ไหนไม่รู้ข้างนอกโอเคประมาณกิโลเมตรเลี้ยวซ้ายใช่ไหมโอเคfor some reason they've covered the switch up. There's a switch here, so that's got to be chased out. It's actually there because there's the pipe up there for it. Having a bit of a party down there. Chai, computer. Never mind, that's Peter out doing the podcast. So anyway, they put the column in and doing the block work for this reinforcement for this staircase. This one's not too bad. So we just got one more wall in here to finish off rendering. It's actually quite cool in here. Yen, very cool. Yen sabai. So yeah, the second floor is all ready for rendering.
Nè bom thầy chia sái không à? Đánh sai một cái nói sai như cậy, đánh sai không ai nói cả. Nè còn sai như cậy nè, đánh sai không ai nói nè, như thầy đấy. Như cả nha.
Kinh khâuใช่ไหมโอเคอะไรนะใช่ไปกินส้มตำบ้าง So what they're doing now, they're preparing for the steel lintels to go in for the roof. Just chased out to into the steel work, and they'll weld into a new rebar coming out, and then they'll weld a plate on. Done the reinforcement for the stairs. Just marking out for the sockets and all that. Plus we want to change them where we went to bed and all that. So we've still got the wall here to build in for the bathroom. So here this is going to be ceiling height of 3.5 meters right along here, and then there's going to be a bit open section to 5 meters over there. Oh, ดำสบาย
ครับ
สาว
อร่อยไหมแซ่บบ่ A lot of space in here now. Look at the steel out there. Still got more steel to take out. Yeah, they're getting it ready for the crane coming tomorrow. Okay, so here they have the 6-inch steel beams. So it's 6-inch by 4-inch. So tomorrow when the crane comes, they go up there. นี่ This is the fiber board สุดยอด
รุ่นแตกสอง
ใช่อันนี้ flash band
เฮ้ยเซล่า
มี
เซล่า
ใช่
เซล่าแตก
นี่เชล่า This is fiber
ไฟเบอร์
ใช่นี่ fiber
เซล่าแตก
เชล่าแตกขี้พันโอ้น้องพันใช่ไหมสองโอเคอัปเดตนี่โทร
2 แผ่น
โอเคyou need it for they have to send to you take photo and send to a shop Min ขอโทษนะแป๊บนึง
เซล่าแตกได้2 แผ่นเซล่า
เชียร์นี่แตกสองได้ when they strap down on transport there's another pallet we've got 3 pallets 700 tires there's one more there it's getting all that cluttered up here okay okay these are the things for the birds keep the birds out and they get fixed here. It stops the birds but lets the roof breathe.